The sun's radiant love, emphasizing the transformative power of love and encouraging the practice of sharing love with others. One chilly autumn day, Samuel and his granddaughter Lily were sitting on a lonely bench in the park. They were basking in the warmth of the sun's gentle rays. "Grandfather," Lily said, "why does the sun shine so brightly?" "The sun shines because it loves us," Samuel replied. "It wants to give us its warmth and light." "But why?" Lily asked. "Why does the sun care about us?" "Because we are all part of the same thing," Samuel said. "We are all connected, and the sun loves all of us just as we love each other." Lily thought about it for a moment. "So, how can I spread love to others?" she asked. "By being kind and compassionate," Samuel said. "By helping others when they need it, by being there for them when they are feeling down, and by always remembering that we are all connected." Lily smiled. She knew that her grandfather was right. She knew that love was a powerful force that could make the world a better place. As they sat on the bench, Lily looked up at the sun. She felt its warmth on her face, and she knew that the sun was shining its love down on her. She felt a sense of peace and happiness. She knew that she was loved and that she could love others in return. Lily learned that love is a powerful force that can illuminate the world and make a positive impact. She also learned that she could spread love by being kind, compassionate, and helpful. Thank you for listening to the story. If you admire what you see, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.